Hey everybody, I am back and I am going to be participating this month in Junk Journal July 2026. I'm going to be participating in the challenge hosted by Creativity Coffee. I will link all of her information below, and I will specifically link her first video where you have all the explanation. You even have a little sheet she prepared with some things that we could use in our junk journaling process this month. And you'll see a little bit of what I've used so far. So let me show you my journal that I put together very quickly, because I was like, oh my God, we're already the 1st of July. And now we're the 2nd of July. So I used some paper from Pepin, and this was my best choice because I liked it, sort of like a grayish green kind of look, and I just added this to make a nice little title. And here we have this is the prompt list, which I think is fantastic. There's some really, really good prompt words here where I feel like we could do so many things with them. I just added some black and white and gray paper behind, and I added create because that's what I'm trying to focus on this month. And I added a little quote at the bottom: out of limitations comes creativity. So day one is analog right here. So this was my day one right here. And this was really inspired by the things that, inspire analog for me. So collaging, journaling, and writing in general, and reading. So those were the three representatives of the analog. A little bit of paper. And here I journaled a bit about the prompt analog. So this is day one for me. You've seen it. Now, day two will go on this page right here. And day two is nature. Now, I'm not totally sure what I'm going to be doing with this prompt of nature, but I have some things here to kind of help me figure it out. I've got some leaves here. I've got these 3 leaves. One is a little broken right there. Yeah. So I've got these 3 leaves. I've got this colorful page with some representation of nature already on it. That wasn't planned, but that's how it worked. With the flowers everywhere. So I'm going to try to do something with that and this and a few other things I can pull out of my things here, out of my cupboards and things. So let's get started. I'm just going to put on some music and try to work. I'm just going to do the best I can and try not to make it a long video. So let's get started. Thanks for watching, and off we go. Okay, guys, I'm finished. I tried to just use this as inspiration because I couldn't figure out how to put them on the page exactly. But I like doing it as inspiration, just putting the leaves and the flowers on top of a colorful page already that has lots of flowers. So I used the fact that it had almost had nature written there. So I just added the NA, La Nature, Vive la Nature. So yeah, there we go. We've got it. So this is my day 2 nature. This is my day 1, which is analog. Let me know what you think. Tomorrow we're doing present. So I'm kind of perplexed by this one because we can do so many different things with present. So let me let you have a look at my journal as a whole so you can see how it's done. So this time I did it with lots of different pages. There may be some moments where I do a double spread because I have enough pages to do that. It's mostly craft paper, some other paper that I got out of another thing that I have. There's some paper from the Flow magazine. There's also some Poland Clairefontaine paper. And there's some craft paper mixed in. So let's see, that's Flow magazine. And that's Flow magazine as well. So it ends on the back like this. So who knows, maybe this will be my last page. Or maybe I'll just do like a collage or something there. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see how the month goes. So there it is. Day 1 and 2. And I'm glad I put this ribbon because I think I'm going to need it because it's already sticking up. And I think if I add more things, it's just going to be really hard to close. So I'm glad I added the ribbon. So there you have it. If you are participating in Junk Journal July, let me know below because I would like to come and follow you and see what you're doing. And that's all I have for you today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.